La Playa and Dancia. As we grow older, our skin becomes wrinkled, scrub, and dry. Skin aging reduces the amount of collagen in the dermis. Saka umiiba na po yung ating texture at saka yung color ng ating skin. Like sa under eye natin, and around the mouth, and even sa profit and the neck area. So we recommend La Playa to target this skin condition. La Playa contains plenty of polylactic acid, which include collagen production and help restore skin elasticity. La Playa is a polylactic rejuve booster skincare solution, and we call that collagen booster. And the active ingredients of La Playa is polylactic acid. Next slide. Polylactic acid is a stimulant group collagen that helps restructure and gradually volumize the skin. Epidermal growth factor has a PDT technology and has better penetration than normal growth factors. It helps to hydrate the skin, protect skin barrier, and help the skin to recover. Hyaluronic acid is a natural moisturizing factor that is contained between collagen and elastin fibers in the dermal layer of the skin and essential for elasticity. Glutathione reduces the skin melanin pigmentation and brightens the melanin pigment already deposited. It makes your skin clear and bright. Vitamin C provides a powerful antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory ingredient to improve blemishes. And the amino acid provide the skin with enough moisture and nutrients to soothe the skin. Slide, please. The best method that we recommend is the intradermal injection syringe. We use 31 to 32 gauge 4 millimeter. The epidermal depth is 1 to 2 millimeter, and on the orbit of the eye of your head fixed, we administer only 0.02 to 0.055 on each injection point. Distance is 0.5 centimeter to 1 centimeter only. We recommend 3 sessions and interval is 10 to 14 days. The maintenance is at least once or twice a month.